Frequently asked questions about the AKD servo drive. AKD P00606-NBAN-0000. How much does the AKD weigh? This drive weighs 1.1 kilograms. What is the operational temperature range of this AKD? It is 0 to 40 degrees Celsius under rated conditions. What is the enclosure protection? The AKD features a protection rating of IP20. How is the AKD mounted? It is mounted vertically. How does the AKD ventilate? This AKD has a built-in fan. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all AKD drive sales and replacements.